Guys, welcome back to Enter's World and happy Friday. So as you know, I went to Westfields today and I showed you a video earlier that I went to Maya and I just showed you some of the new clothes that you can get for your babies. I didn't get anything there because obviously it's very expensive for me. However, I got something else. I got the twin pack exclusive deluxe Guru slime kit. So it's 2 in 1. This was $25 in Big W. They're the 2 slimes that you can get. So it doesn't really show exactly what slime I got, but from the back of the package it does look like I got 2 clear slimes, which I'm happy for. So I thought I would show you it today. So so I'm gonna grab my X-Acto knife. Got my black one. Let's open this. Oh, I've been waiting all day to get home to open this. Oh my lordy lord. Okay. Oh, hang on. Okay. Okay. So first we've got the add-ins, which I'm not going to worry about. And then we've got some shimmery slime here, which I'll probably add to one of them. We've got here the different little add-ins, which I'm not going to worry about, but I do like to keep these, which I'll show you in a minute. Then we got the 2 slimes, so the yellow and the pink. I don't think they're the colors though, but anyways. And then we got in here, we got the first little character, which it looks like a little cat, which is super cute. And then we got a little spoon for some odd reason, so that's cute. I could probably use it for something like when I do Hazel and Dylan's, I don't know, stuff. And then with this one we got a little teddy bear, which is super cute. I honestly love these little characters. They are to die for. And then this is like a little one of those like, you know, things. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, got that. And then we've obviously got the 2 containers, which we've got tape on them. So I'm gonna throw this out. I don't use it, but we are gonna need this. So we got this one that's clear with a pink top, and this one here is clear. I'm gonna take this out. This one has a green top, like a greenish yellow. And then finally we've got the instructions. So let's see. So this is obviously just the instructions, and okay, so it tells us, so this is, okay, so the pink slime is a jelly slime, which is clearing away, and then you got your 5 steps. And then the yellow one is also a clear slime, and here are the 5 steps. This one is meant to smell, the yellow one is meant to smell like grapefruit and kiwi, and this one is meant to smell like guava and mango. Okay. And then there is these options to get as well, which are limited edition. So there's a watermelon themed, a jelly like a peach themed, a grape themed, a raspberry, strawberry, and pineapple and mango. So I'll try and get those because these are exclusive. So I will keep this as my checklist until I finish the collection, because it's not really a checklist, but I'll keep it anyways. Right, let's get into the slimes. I'm not going to use this, as I said, so I'm just going to toss that on the side. I am, however, going to show you these. So with the yellow one, oh, ew, this is so weird. They're like squishy. Anyways, you get the little, like a little cat face with a little pineapple leaf on top. That's weird. And then you get the actual little pineapple. This is so weird. They're like squishy. And then just a little hoop. And then with the pink one, oh, the pink one, you get a little cupcake, it looks like, a little sun, and a little apple. And then these are just the add-ins, so binso beads and little pineapple slices. Okay, right, let's actually get into the slime. So I'm going to do the pink one first because I like pink. So here it is. I'm going to grab my scissors this time. Make sure all the slime is down. Whoops. Make sure there's no slime in this. Okay, nothing. Let's see. Wow, ooh, it's a pretty blue slime. It's okay, so the scent of this one is meant to be guava and mango. It does not smell anything like mango, but I do smell the guava, which I recently found out that guava actually has a scent. I did not know that. So, but yeah, it's a pretty blue. And it does smell beautiful. Like, look at it. It's nice and stretchy, which I love. It is a bit sticky at first. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. It is very satisfying. And it is actually like a really nice blue. Well, on camera, it's more like a lightish blue, but in real life, it's like a really light dark blue. That actually smells really good. So that's the blue one, which was originally pink, but oh well. Alright, let's do this one now. I think I'm gonna add this little add-in for this one. So this one is just like a little shimmery slime. Ooh, very interesting, very sparkly. I might not actually add this in anything. I might just add it in one of these little containers just to keep, because actually it's like really cute. Like, it's enough slime to play with. It doesn't smell like anything, but it is very shimmery. So I'll just leave it in here actually. So really you get 3 slimes in one. That's cool. Anyways, let's go back to this one. So here is the yellow one. Make sure all the slime is down. And I'm going to give it a cut. Oh, okay, so this is the pink slime. Oh well. I got mixed up, but it doesn't matter. Anyways. So this one is meant to smell like kiwi and guava, but all I smell is guava. Oh, this one, oh, this is a pretty texture. This is like an icy texture. It's very hard, but it's like really soft in a way. It's like taffy in a way, and it's a lovely pink color. It smells beautiful. I still can't smell the kiwi, which is in a way really good because I'm highly allergic to kiwi. But honestly, it's like really good. Honestly, it's like great bubble pops. This one's really cool. Wow. Like, it's so pretty. Huh. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Put your comments down below, which one would you choose? The pink icy slime or the blue clear slime? And then obviously the bonus mini glittery slime, which has excellent bubble pops. And also, which is your favorite character? The little cat or the little bear? I like both. They're just super cute. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on next time. Bye.